This is Will just sitting up like a big boy for his first time, kind of just hanging out. Don't fall over. Prove me wrong. He's been like this for the last like 3 minutes. I don't think we've ever seen him up for this long. It's so impressive. Here, buddy. There you go. He's just kind of hanging out. We're so proud of him. Hey, buddy, look it. Look up here. Will. Up here. Hi, say hi. Good job. Good. Sit down. You stay out. Zoe always has to be part of it. Say, hey, wait a minute. Somebody's getting attention. Lay down. Good girl. Zoe, stop it. Thank you. Yeah, he's just hanging out. Doing so good. Look at you, big boy. You're such a big boy. Zoe. No. So good. So good. Aww. Look at you. Say hello, Zoe. Good job. Oh, and there he goes.